Hey everyone! I'm going to show you a quick tutorial today on how to use the method of Sgraffito with oil pastels. So Sgraffito means to scratch away at the top layer to reveal a light contrasting layer underneath. So if I apply blue pastel to white paper and scratch the blue away, it's going to reveal the white paper underneath. Now, to do Sgraffito, you don't want to add color, so using a pencil would not be a good idea. You want to use something that has no pigment, like a bent paper clip or another scratching tool. Now, it's best when doing Sgraffito to place a layer of a light color down first and then put the darker color on top. So here, look how I'm putting down the pink and the purple pastel, and now I'm putting black on top. When I take my bent paper clip and scratch away, I take the black off, revealing that light pink and purple color underneath. I can make thick lines using the other end of my bent paper clip as well. And you can try different tools. You could even try a mechanical pencil with no lead showing to scratch away. All right, here's another example. I've got some yellow pastel placed down. I'm putting some brown on top, and now I'm going to scratch away. So when you're trying to decide on how to use Sgraffito in your art, you want to look at what kind of texture you're trying to make and mimic that texture. Mimic the size of lines that you're seeing in the picture or the size of lines that you envision in your imagination. Okay, here's what does not work for Sgraffito. You cannot put a light color of pastel on top of a dark color, nor can you scratch away black pastel on white paper. No matter what I was doing, and I was pressing hard there, I could not really get the black to come off. So that does not work. Now on to another example. Sgraffito works really well when you're trying to duplicate a texture where you're trying to reveal light, small lines. So if you're trying to draw an animal, for example, using oil pastels, and you see little lines like I see in this cat picture here, using the bent paper clip to scratch away those small lines will reveal the light color that I've applied underneath. So when I began this drawing, I placed a lot of white pastel everywhere that I knew I was going to want to reveal white, and then I put a little bit of black on top. This worked perfectly for this image of the cat, and when I zoom in here, you'll see up close all those little lines that I scratched away. Those little lines really add a lot of texture and detail to my drawing. I typically think of oil pastels as being a pretty chunky material to work with. Like, it's kind of hard to get fine details, so knowing that I can use a simple tool like a paper clip to reveal some texture or even to kind of take away and almost erase a mistake is really helpful for me. So I hope this technique helps you too. Again, remember the word, it's called Sgraffito, meaning to scratch away, to reveal the layer of color, typically contrasting color, underneath. Thanks for watching this. I hope you can use this tip in your drawings.